it's NECTAR Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to pin curl my hair. So I just did these Kavari. Hello, it's NECTAR Beauty and welcome to my channel. Recently, one of you, my supporters, asked me, do I pin curl my hair? And I don't, but I thought that would be a great video to do. I know many of you preserve your curls different ways and you're always asking me, how do I preserve my hair at night? And it's pretty simple. All I do is use my bonnet right here. This is my favorite bonnet. I really love that it has this black band right here, and I just put it over my hair and sleep through the night. It does not come off at nighttime, and it really helps to keep my edges nice and tame. So I really love this bonnet. I got it from Walgreens. I have the link down below in the description box so you can buy it if you want to. But nonetheless, I used to pin curl my hair all the time back before I embraced being natural. This is when I always straightened my hair with a flat iron, and then I went back over it and used a curling iron. I mean, I was doing the most. My hair wasn't, I'd say it wasn't damaged. It didn't look bad. I used really good products. I used oils. I always deep conditioned my hair every week. Pretty much I did the same thing that I do now, but I always flat ironed my hair. So instead of doing a style like curls or twist out, perm right outs, any different style that I do, I just flat ironed my hair. And oh my gosh, if I knew back then what I know now, I just wouldn't have done it. But when you know better, you do better, and I am a living proof of that. I really embrace being natural, and I really love all the feedback that you give me, and you give me so much power, encouragement. You just give me so much motivation. I tell you all the time. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Now for starters, I have my hair styled in a large perm right out, and I did that a few days ago, so click the link right here. If you did not watch it, you can watch it to see how I achieved these beautiful curls. Now what I'm going to do, now I haven't pin curled my hair in maybe like 8 years or so, so I think I still got it. Now I'm just going to separate my hair into quadrants, as I always do. Many of you know the deal. And I'm just going to clip my hair up. So I'm just kind of separating my hair as it naturally separates. I'm not going to pull my hair. I mean, since I do separate my hair into quadrants all the time, my hair is pretty much trained in this section. It's like compartmentalized. So now I'm going to clip my hair. So that was pretty easy. I just like to focus one area at a time, and this helps me just to make sure that I focus on one area at a time. So now this is what I'm working with. So I'm going to turn around in a little bit just so you can see, but I just wanted to show you while I'm facing to the camera. I'm going to take a small section of hair. I don't want to pull too much, I don't want to disturb the curl, and then clip this section, the remainder of this section up. I have all my clips right here, right in front of me on my desk, and then all I'm going to do is put my finger and then twirl it around, and then I'm going to use a bobby pin. I have these bobby pins that I bought from the dollar store in my Dollar Tree haul. I got a lot of great products for my hair that were only $1, so check that video out. It'll be right here and you can watch it. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to mist a little bit of oil in my hair just because I haven't applied any oil in my hair in a few days. So if you know me, you know that I really like applying oils to my scalp. Typically I would mist my hair with some water, but I just don't want my hair to revert right now because that would not be good. The oil that I will be spraying in my hair is this one. It is from Earth's Nectar. It is their jojoba and tea tree scalp oil. I recently bought this and I have been using it for maybe a week now, and I do like it, so I would definitely recommend this oil. So I'm just going to spray. That was about like 2 pumps. Rub it on my hair and just work it in. It's really important that you work products in your hair so it can really penetrate in the hair shaft. You don't want products just sitting on top of your hair because it will not do any justice for you. So now that I've worked it in, so my curls are a little bit looser, and that's totally fine. I'm going to use this brush right here. It had a thread in it. So this brush is just going to help to encourage the curl. I'm going to start at the ends and gently, 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 gently. Making sure that my hair is not tangled at all. So see, I still have the curl, it's still there. And then now I'm going to make sure that my hair is wrapped around my finger. And I'm just gonna take the curl and then start to wind my hair up so I have a curl. I'm just following that curl, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. So here's how the first one looks. I'm just gonna keep doing it. And here's how my hair looks after 3 pin curls. I'm noticing that applying the oil is really helping just to smooth down my hair, and also this round brush is really helping just to make sure that my hair is not tangled and just to have all my hair curl in the same direction. And this is the last pin curl. I'm just bobby pinning my hair in the front just to make sure that it's nice and sleek. And here's how my hair looks in the back after I've pin curled it. I'm going to put my bonnet on as I prepare for bed. Hello, I'm back and it is 2 days later. I didn't do anything. I stayed in the house and just did a lot of work in the house yesterday, so I just didn't film. Now today is Sunday and I'm ready to show you my hair and how it looks. I really hope that it looks really good, especially, you know, doing something new. Let's see how my hair turned out. Alright, take this clip off. Okay, so my hair, it looks a little smushed, but I mean, that's not really telling me much. Let's see how my hair looks once I unravel these little pin curls. So I'm gonna start in the back like I always do. Looking at my hair, like this curl right here looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. Okay, so let's just finish taking out these pin curls. Yes, I have a lot of volume, I could already tell. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. This is the same oil that I already used. So just to kind of blend my hair together. I just want it to blend together. I don't want it to look, you know, like separate curls. I just want my hair to flow. So I'm really loving how my hair is turning out. I'm just gonna continue to play with it for some volume and just, you know, give me like a nice little shape. Yeah, this looks really, really nice. I'm loving these curls. Ooh, there's some body. All right, I'm gonna keep playing with my hair and then I will come back when I'm all finished. I am back and I absolutely love how my hair came out. It's full of body, volume, and bounce, and my hair is not weighed down at all. You know I love my volume. I just love the way my hair looks with these curls. It looks really good. It reminds me of how my hair used to look back when I did pin curl it, but my hair was just a little bit more down. It wasn't so tight up like this, but my hair overall looks really good. I'm so happy I decided to pin curl my hair. I mean, I haven't done it in years, but I still got the technique down. I still love the way my hair came out. I just love these curls, and I really like using this oil. I've been using it, like I said, for a little bit now, but using it with this style, my hair came out really nice, and my hair is not weighed down at all, which is very important for me in doing these types of styles. I don't want my hair to be weighed down or to look weighed down, to be greasy. I want my hair to be healthy, to have that sheen, and still have my scalp to be healthy, because a healthy scalp is very important. I just love these curls. I love the way my hair came out. If you did too, let me know. Give me a like, comment, subscribe if you're not, and share if you'd like to. I mean, I really love sharing my knowledge, my wisdom, my tips, any hair care advice I can give to you, and just letting me know that my tips have helped you means so much to me. I just really love hearing it all the time. You let me know that I've helped you. It really means a lot. It really does. It lets me know that what I'm doing is not in vain, that it's actually helping, and this is the whole reason why I started my YouTube channel. So thank you so much to all my supporters, all the love I receive. I always use my bonnet here because I like the bands, and I just really like how it secures my hair. Maybe from time to time I will pin curl my hair just to help preserve my curls, and I'll show you the back in a little bit, but I'm just really excited. I'm about to go out now and do some errands. I got a little bit jazzed up, but nonetheless, thank you so much and have a great day.